I'm going to show you how to get the fabulous Pillow Talk look that everyone is talking about, that I have literally used on every red carpet around the world. The look that I'm doing today is on Rubina, which is this sort of very flattering, youth-boosting version of Pillow Talk, and it looks fabulous on everyone from 18 to 80. This look can take you everywhere, from desk to dusk to disco to date. You can mesmerize the world with Pillow Talk. And I'm going to start off by giving you gorgeous red carpet skin. Now you've got amazing skin, but I'm going to put a bit of my Instant Dry Sheet facial mask. This fantastic thing here was created by an amazing scientist which came up with this biomimetic vector delivery system. What I also love about this mask is it lifts, smooths, hydrates and brightens the skin. It literally goes down to the third layer of the epidermis and sort of plumps up those little cells that shrink as you get older, and just gives you this amazing instant glow and instant smoothing kind of your skin. It's just so beautifully plumped. Magic Cream is magic skin. It really is. This moisturizer of the Magic 8 is packed with hyaluronic acid, bionic peptide, vitamins A, C and E, aloe vera. It's the oils and the actives together that create this dreamy magical cream that when you put it on your skin, I tell you, I cannot do a makeup without this. And this is the Magic Cream Eye Rescue, and it's so fabulous, this eye cream, because it never makes you puffy, but it's also got time-release retinol in it, which is so soothing and gorgeous for any fine lines around the eyes. So I'm now going to pop on a little bit of my Light Wonder foundation. This is fantastic, and it's beautiful on Rubina skin, because this, and I'll just show you as I do half the face, it's light as air, it's breathable, it's got hyaluronic acid in it, so it kind of plumps it with full of lots of gorgeous water. Now, Double the Magic, this is the most incredible concealer in the world. I would say it's taken my 26-year career as a makeup artist and an innovator in cosmetics to come up with this. What I adore about this concealer that I think no concealer in the world does, gives you a bounce and a glow to the skin that is so amazing, which is why they're calling it Spanx for the under eye, and quite frankly Spanx for the face. So it just gives it that amazing bouncy texture. Another one of my amazing products that I adore is Hollywood Flawless Filter. Now, Hollywood Flawless Filter, this is a complexion booster. One thing I adore about this formula is that it has this amazing satin skin finish, which is just like having an amazing Instagram filter, a bit like Vaseline on a lens, soft focusing lines and pores, giving that kind of lit from within, dreamy, gorgeous skin. The Fair One, the pinky gorgeous powder underneath the eyes, this is one of my top secrets on the red carpet. It's just a dream for that under eye area. I've never, ever, ever come across anything so micro fine and so forgiving in kind of any lines, pores and setting your makeup underneath your eyes. It's just one of my top tips. As you know, eyebrows are the pillars of the face, and I'm going to start off by using my legendary brows, and this is fabulous. I adore this formula because it's just so quick and easy, and I'm just filling in the brows, really quick and easy, gorgeous colour, and it just mimics the way the hairs grow. If you have lost a bit of hair or you've got a bit of a hole in your eyebrow, this very quickly and very forgivingly, with absolutely no skill needed, gives you a really kind of beautifully professionally buffed brow. So I also like to use my pencil, my 3-way brow lift and shape tool, and I just like to slightly go over that, maybe soft focus it, maybe fill in any little bits as well. I'm going to use my life-changing eyelash curlers and get right into the root, hold the lashes and clamp for 10-20 seconds. So darlings, I'm now going to use my Pillow Talk palette, and I'm obsessed with this, and I'm going to use that as a wash backwards and forwards all the way over your eye, all the way up to your brow, literally using my blender brush. It's such a beautiful formula. Next, taking my blender brush and dipping it into the enhanced shade, I'm just going to nestle that into the socket and then go round in a semi-arch backwards and forwards like a windscreen wiper. And these brushes and this formula together are just magic, because it just makes everything so super flattering and so super easy. It is easy to choose and easy to use. I'm going to take my little smudger brush and dipping that again into this beautiful sort of camel rose. I'm going to pop a little bit of that in the outer corner underneath, just very subtly. And now I'm going to take my blender brush and again, dipping it into this slightly more sort of like a dusky rose. And I'm just going to pop that again into the socket to create a little bit more depth. And we're going to finish off by using my finger and dipping that into this beautiful kind of rose gold. I have to say it is divine. When you use it with your finger, this formula is so forgiving that when you just use your finger, it's got lots of emollients. It's incredibly rich eyeshadow with oils, which is why you can use your finger with this particular eyeshadow. And I'm just going to pop that on, but it just gives a really lustrous bit of light. I'm going to use my wonderful classic eye pencil, which is this beautiful soft chocolate smoky texture, up and outwards and along, just giving it a slight feline flick. I'm now going to start by using my Full Fat Lashes mascara, and we love this because it gives you a very smooth flutter in a really beautiful way where it doesn't clump and it really doesn't sort of cake and it doesn't drop. It's fantastic, this mascara. So darlings, now I'm going to use my Pillow Talk lip liner, which the whole Pillow Talk mania started from this lip pencil. I literally used it on every celebrity, every supermodel, everyone I ever worked with, every backstage, every red carpet, and the world went crazy for Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk lipstick. This is Divine, the Pillow Talk lipstick. It's just this velvety hue that is really moisturising, but gives you that matte effect that just makes your lips look more luscious. I'm now going to use my iconic Film Star Bronze and Glow, and this palette is divine for contouring and highlighting, but also just to make you look a little bit sun-kissed so you don't look too harsh. It's a very forgiving, beautiful palette. Another one of my fabulous tricks, Hollywood Beauty Light wand. This is literally like a Diva Light bottled. It literally smooths any lines around your eyes because it's got a lovely olive gel in it. And it also, you go to the gym, you can move around and sweat, and it doesn't sort of sit in lines and pores. Now I'm going to apply my amazing Pillow Talk blusher in Swish and Glow. It's like nature naturally blessed you with the perfect cheek colour. Swish and Glow. Just gonna pop that, it's really the prettiest colour, on the apple of the cheekbone in circular motions. And now I'm gonna finish off my Divine Pillow Talk look with a little bit of a scent of a dream, which is the secret to making all your dreams come true, and definitely a little bit of seduction.